A few years ago, I rush built a Turbo Civic, turned it up to 20 psi and blew the motor, and now it's time to rebuild it properly. In this series, I tear down my EG Civic, rebuild the B18C, repair all the 90s JDM rust, give it a new paint job, and put it all back together on my driveway at home. So we're back working on the Turbo Civic. So last video we ended up getting all the engine in, got it running, and yeah, plumbed up all the stuff in here. So that's all 99% mint now. Next stage is I want to get it running, so we're going to go ahead and chuck all the interior in and get the seats and the dash and all that in. Got all the carpet in the last week or so. So I just had to cut that out and install that. It was a bit of a mission getting it all lined up in the perfect spots, but it's not 100% perfect, but it's good enough, better than the old carpet anyway. So probably first step is going to be chucking all the center console and all that stuff in, and then we'll go ahead, chuck the dash in, and then probably move to the back and do the rear quarters and stuff like that. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess in here at the moment, but hopefully be able to get it out of the shed and get it running soon. So go ahead and chuck the center console in now anyway. So yeah, we've ended up getting most of the interior in. It's looking pretty good. Sister was in here cleaning it all as well. So she's also cleaned all the seats and stuff, but got all the seats sitting over there, all ready to go. So we'll chuck them in now and be ready to drive.
It's not that big hands.
So ended up getting all the interior in, well 90% of it. Got a few things like under here I've got to do, but that's easy. So carpet's looking good all together. So gonna end up taking it for a drive now. Pretty much got the whole outside of the car all done. Just need to go over and wet sand it. And missing a couple of trims like these ones and the windscreen ones. I need some new of these orange clips because most of them are all broken. But yeah, all good other than that. We'll take it for a drive now. First drive in ages.
Your cockroach fell on you.
That's right. There's cockroaches in the car.
And all the car YouTube channels, they always put the camera right up to their faces. Just before, and he was like, nah, should be all good. There's 5 other ones.
Is that stupid thermostat? Oh, the stupid wire that goes into the temp sensor for the gauge. See, it's like warm. I was wondering why it wasn't coming up at all. Watch! So yeah, took the car for a boost. It was pretty fun. So probably going to get into chucking some the wheels on, and got some coilovers for it too. So that'll be in my next video, but don't want to leak the wheels just yet. But I got some BC Golds, and what else did I get? Traction arm for the front, because the wheels hop a bit. But yeah, that'll be it for this video anyway. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.